Good morning, teacher. My name is Mario Hernandez, English Level 2, CSBA Facultativa, Agronomía, Low Atheist as to enjoy Sasaima, Otsis Beauty. Sasaima is municipality. Why our climate in the morning it has leads climate and afternoon the temperature is higher is recommended. Use sunscreen and cap and avoid thin skin. Sasaima is municipality with our climate in the morning and spring climate and afternoon the temperature is higher. It's recommended to use sunscreen and hat because it's important to avoid skin burn. In Sasaima, people should covered by the sun, and when there is wind, they should look for safe place. Thank you.